What if I told you that the rules that used to protect your property tax bill could now cost your kids thousands unless you play your cards right? I'm Michelle Eskandari, and today I'm going to cut through the noise and help you understand what Proposition 19 really means for California homeowners, downsizers, and families with real estate legacies. Whether you're planning to retire, transfer property to your children, or you're just trying to avoid a costly mistake, this video is for you. Before we dive in, I'm not a CPA or financial planner, but I work alongside some of the very best. If today's topic sparks questions about your unique situation, reach out. I'd be happy to refer you to a vetted financial advisor or estate attorney who specializes in Proposition 19 planning. So Prop 19, and why is this so important? Let's start with the big picture. Prop 19 fundamentally changed California's property tax rules for transferring homes and base year values. It was voted in with the promise of helping wildfire victims and seniors, but it came up with a major trade-off. Under the old rules, many families could pass down real estate with minimal tax consequences. Now, with the stakes are much higher, and understanding these new rules can save you or your family tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Under Prop 19, you can still transfer a family home or farm to a child or grandchild without reassessment, but only under strict conditions. Here's what the new rules require. The property must be the primary residence of both the parent and the child. The child must move in within 1 year and file the homeowners or disabled veterans exemption. The only exclusion applies if the market value of the property is less than the original taxable value, up to $1 million. Anything above that gets added to the tax base. For example, let's say your home has a factored base year value, what your property taxes are based on, of $300,000, and today it's worth $1.5 million. You get a $1 million cushion, but the extra $200,000 gets added to the new tax bill. So your child's new assessed value would jump to $500,000, not $300,000. And we were talking about many of the home's values we see here in Santa Barbara. You can have a significant increase, and that's if they move in. What if it's a vacation or rental property? Under the new law, those no longer qualify for the tax break. So if your kids plan to rent it out or sell it, expect a full reassessment. This is where legacy planning gets tricky, and this is where families can lose big if they don't plan properly. Now here's the upside. Downsizing just got more flexible. If you're over 55 years old, disabled, or a victim of wildfire or natural disaster, you can now transfer your low property tax base to a new home up to 3 times anywhere in the state of California. Here's how it works. If your new home is equal or less in value, your property taxes stay the same. If your new home is more expensive, the difference gets added, but your tax base stays the same and intact for the portion equal to your old home's value. Buy within 1 year and you can go up to 105% of the value with no increase. Buy in the second year and you can go up to 110%. This is amazing news for many of my clients in Santa Barbara and Montecito who are ready to right size, but have been afraid to make the move due to their low tax base. And here's the kicker. You can do this up to 3 times. That's triple the flexibility California didn't offer before Prop 19. So what's the next move? If you're thinking about selling and buying a new home, planning to pass your home to your children, wondering how to best protect your real estate assets, you can't afford to navigate Prop 19 alone. That's where I come in. I partner with financial advisors, estate attorneys, and tax professionals who specialize in Prop 19 strategies. If you're not sure what move to make, let's get the right experts on your team and create a strategy that works for your goals. Because what worked 5 years ago may not work today. Prop 19 doesn't have to be a roadblock. It can actually be a tool if you know how to use it. Let's be smart, be proactive, and most importantly, let's protect what matters most.